The uncertainty of last school year, such as restrictions, shutdowns, switching to virtual learning, all had a huge impact on the mental state of students.
The unknowns of will we be able to stay in school and can we have sports and all the things that kids care about, the social interaction at school, it really weighed heavily on students. We noticed that.
The Geneva County School system has always cared about the well-being of their students. However, it didn't become a huge issue until a couple of years ago.
I would say the past 2 or 3 years, we've seen a really a strong need and an uptick in the number of students who have severe mental health needs and need a counselor on site at school, and that's something that's really changed in education, I think.
Therefore, Geneva County Schools called back a retired counselor to serve as their licensed professional to help students struggling with their mental health.
We are contracting with her for even more counselors using our ESSER funds. To have more counselors in our schools and more people available so that when our principals see someone, who might be contemplating suicide or, a student who cuts himself or herself at home or at school.
Birdsong says the pandemic is not to blame for all of the mental issues students may have, as they can be related to something at home or their dating life. She encourages parents to communicate with school administrators if their child needs counseling and keep a close eye on their social media.
But nowadays with Facebook and Snapchat and Instagram, kids can know by looking at their friends' stories where they are, what they're doing, so they really never get away from it, and so there's a bigger need than ever before for this kind of thing.
Reporting in Slocum, Robert Smith, WDHN News for the Wiregrass.